Hey guys, it's me back on Isanshi, and today I'm going to be making a shorty mask from Killer Clown from Outer Space. So the table is already pretty red today because I was making a brain for Halloween mask, another tutorial. But for today we're going to be needing just a single A4 paper. So yeah, pretty simple. Aside from that, we'll use some tape and possibly some color. Right, so get those ready. But first things first, we are going to sketch out how the mask is supposed to look like. Fold it in half. So I had a request for this several times, and I also wanted to make a shorty mask. It sounds so cute when you just say shorty, but this one's a very creepy mask. Alright, something like that. Should probably make it a bit bigger. And then there's the jaw, cheekbone. I definitely need to make it a bit bigger than that. Okay, there it is. And for the eyes, we are going to put the eyes right there. So we'll cut out that part later on. And we need the ears. Actually, I'm going to skip the ears for this one because I don't know how to attach it to your face, and you could recognize them from a distance. Away, your real ear can act as your mask ear. No problem in that. So yeah, that looks good enough. Pretty weird sketch, but I'm going to cut it out and it will make a lot more sense after that. Alright, so we are going to be needing these things later on. So I'll put that aside. And usually for the eyes, what I do is I just take this and I fold it like that and then cut out the circle. But for this case, we have a really creepy mask, so I feel like a better decision would be to go for it, like just random sized hole, puncture it with a pin of some sort, like that, and then wish I had a pencil. Alright, and then just make the hole a bit bigger using some other materials, like that. Alright, that will be our eyes. Not too shabby. Okay, one more thing I'd like to do is this currently looks like a Megamind head, so I need to fix that. Like that. Okay. Looks alright. So let's take a clean side right over there, and then let's add some designs. So this area right here is going to be pretty pink, and then we've got nose. For the nose, I wish I had something red. We'll have to think about the nose later on. Should have thought of this beforehand. Alright, anyways, the nose will be somewhere right there. So our creepy smile, let's put it right there. Our red dots. Large smile. Makes it look scary. Add some wrinkles later on. There's the lower lip. And some more wrinkles. Alright. So once that's done, we have a blue design. And some more wrinkles at the top. So yeah, that's basically the design. Now, besides these, I told you to save these up, so what I'm going to do with these ones are going to be the hair. So sort of like, so color these ones green. Actually, let's take this side. Right, sort of like that. And then the top part. Alright, so color these green, cut them out. We also want a red ball shape. So color this one red. And yeah, I'll quickly paint these and see when it's done. Alright, so I'm going to color it in camera because I think that'll be more fun. For the eyes, yeah, the pink tone. Just like this. And then let's use some blue. That's one eye. Something similar for the other eye. That. And I need red. There you go. Alright, so I'm going to do that as well. Before that, I already made these, so I just need to color them up, so let's do that as well. Alright, so I'll quickly finish that. Alright, so the design's coming along alright. So here's the nose as well. I do need to cut out the hair first, so let me just quickly finish it up. So I added some highlights using white pen. It's pretty useful for highlights. I don't know what else to add. There's a lot of wrinkles. So we say alright, let's quickly finish this up. I'll quickly do the hair and I'll see when that's done. Alright, so now I'm going to add some folds. One big fold right there, right over there, and add some tape to secure it in place. Another fold at the bottom down there. It's turning out nice. Now some curved folds like this, and probably a large fold at the top. And some tape folds at the bottom. Actually, right at the cheekbone area would be better than there. So let's switch it up a little. There you go. So it's looking pretty 3D so far. I probably don't need these bottom ones. There you go, fix that as well. And now let's add this. Alright, so there it is, our killer clown from outer space. So the nose is 3D and I added a little hole so you can breathe, sort of. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed, hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what should I do next in my next video, and share my videos. Thank you, bye bye.